Meaning of disgrace.
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 Disgrace. Disgrace refers to a state of shame or loss of respect, often brought about by one's own actions or behavior. It can also refer to the act of causing such shame or disrespect to someone else. The result of disgrace is typically a negative impact on one's personal or professional reputation, which may lead to social or economic consequences. It can also result in feelings of guilt, regret, and alienation from others. Overall, disgrace is a serious matter that can have long-lasting effects on individuals and their relationships with others.